Bless him, wants to help me out. Look at him with his fucking guns out. He's shining it up. That's the one. Gonna give the car a clean on the inside. I had it washed the other day, just so I could rag it around when I first got it. So interior's looking a bit manky. You've got to remember this car has come from a farm, so it doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, that's seats there, but to be honest, it ain't too bad, is it? I found some fucking sweet and sour sauce if anybody wants it. Here it is though. No Tekken Ghost. Let's see, of course. See if the boot opens. No. But yeah. That's about it. It's a decent car. Could do with a bit of updating on the mats and stuff. But it's all little niggly bits, nothing major, alhamdulillah. Not yet, and I hope not, anyway. Here she is. And there it is, the one that lets it all off. Yep. Soon though. Hoover time. I've just drenched the car with this. Drench the seats in. No, that's it. Oh, lovely. Absolutely bloody lovely, that is. But yeah, this is what it is so far. And we'll take it from here. Slowly but surely. Make it look showroom spec, you know what I mean? Soon though. You'll see something coming soon. Who knows, maybe one of you that will take it off me. As soon as I got it, messages, videos, phone calls, bro, what you done? Get back on the Jap scene. I can't lie, this car's mad. Honestly, mad. Videos are coming soon, I'm more content to come. Trust me. Okay.